Tax season is coming, and if you're a tax professional, accountant, or financial advisor, you need to stand out. But hiring a video production company? That can cost thousands of dollars. What if I told you that you could create a professional 60-second promotional video using AI tools in just a few minutes, even if you've never made a video before? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step. First, let's talk about what you'll need. Don't worry, this won't break the bank. You'll need access to an AI video generator. I recommend Runway ML or Whisk AI. Both offer free trials, so you can create your first video without spending a dime. You'll also need a simple video editor. I suggest CapCut. It's free and works on your phone or computer. And finally, you'll need a script. That's what tells your video what to say. We'll create that together in just a moment. That's it. No fancy camera, no studio, no film degree required. Now let's write your 60-second promotional video script. This is the foundation of everything. For a tax season promo, keep it simple and direct. Here's a formula that works. Start with a problem. Tax season can be stressful and overwhelming. Introduce yourself as the solution. Hi, I'm Sarah, and I've been helping families and small businesses navigate their taxes for over 10 years. Share your value. I take the confusion out of tax time, maximize your refunds, and ensure you're fully compliant. End with a call to action. Book your free consultation today at my website. Write this out, word for word. Aim for about 140 to 160 words total. That's roughly 60 seconds when spoken at a natural pace. Pro tip, read it out loud. If it sounds awkward or too formal, simplify it. You want to sound like a real person, not a robot. Also, for those that cannot write, use ChatGPT to come up with a script, but at least give it some pointers. Now that you have your script, let's break it into visual scenes. Think of your video like a mini movie with 4 or 5 short shots. For our tax video example, here's how you might divide it. Scene 1, a stressed person looking at paperwork and receipts. This matches your opening line about tax stress. Scene 2, a friendly professional at a desk, smiling at the camera. This is where you introduce yourself. Scene 3, happy clients shaking hands or receiving good news. This shows your value and results. Scene 4, a clear call to action screen with your website or phone number. Each scene will be about 8 to 10 seconds long. Write down a simple description for each scene. 1 sentence is enough. This is what you'll feed to your AI video tool. Again, if you can't come up with the visuals, ask ChatGPT to generate visuals, followed by visual prompts to animate the images. It's very simple. Now comes the fun part, generating your video with AI. Open Runway ML or Whisk.ai and create a free account. For Whisk, you can use your Gmail account in order to create an account. You'll get free credits to start, but to create more videos, you will need to buy credits. In this video, we will use Whisk. It's actually my go-to. Create the image and then hover on top of the image and click on Animate. Enter the prompt, and after a couple of minutes, your clip will be ready. Please remember, the exact button depends on which tool you're using. Now type in your first scene description. For example, a stressed woman at her kitchen table surrounded by tax documents and receipts, soft, natural lighting. Be specific but concise. Mention the subject, the action, and the mood or lighting. Again, ChatGPT can help you with this. Click Generate and wait about 1 to 2 minutes. Repeat this process for each of your 4 or 5 scenes. Generate each one separately. Here's a pro tip. Generate 2 versions of each scene. Sometimes the AI creates something unexpected, and having options is always good. Download all your clips once they're ready. Save them in a folder on your computer so you can find them easily. This whole process takes about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how fast the AI works. Sometimes Whisk will generate clips with sounds, but it can be muted in CapCut. So let's add a voice now. You have 2 options, record yourself or use an AI voice. If you're recording yourself, use the voice memo app on your phone. Find a quiet room, read your script naturally, and save the recording. If you want to use an AI voice instead, which is preferred, go to 11 Labs. Paste your script, choose a voice that sounds professional and friendly, and download the audio file. Either way, You now have your voiceover ready to go. Now bring your editing hat out. Let's put everything together in CapCut. Open CapCut and start a new project. Import all your AI video clips and your voiceover file. Drag your voiceover onto the timeline first. This is your foundation. Now drag your video clips onto the video track above the audio, lining them up with the matching parts of your script. For example, when your voiceover says, "Tax season can be stressful," that's where your stressed person scene should be. Trim your clips so they match the length of each section of your narration. CapCut makes this easy. Just drag the edges of each clip. Add simple transitions between scenes. A quick fade or cross dissolve works great. Don't go overboard. Keep it professional. Now add text overlays for important information. Your name, your website, your phone number. Make these big and easy to read. Finally, add some background music. CapCut has a free music library. Choose something soft and professional that doesn't overpower your voice. Lower the music volume so your narration is clear. Preview your video. Does it flow smoothly? Is the timing right? Make small adjustments until you're happy with it. You're almost done. Let's add a few final touches. Add your logo if you have one. Place it in the corner of the screen throughout the video or just at the beginning and end. Double check that your call to action is crystal clear. Your website or phone number should be on screen for at least 5 seconds so people have time to write it down. Make sure your video is exactly 30 to 60 seconds or close to it. If it's running long, trim a few seconds from each scene. If it's short, let some scenes breathe a little longer. Now export your video. In CapCut, click Export and choose 1080p quality. This is high definition and will look great on social media, your website, or even TV if you want to run ads later. Save it to your computer and you're done. Congratulations, you just created a professional promotional video using AI, and you did it without any previous experience. And here is the final product that we created.
Every year, tax season sneaks up, and the frustration starts all over again. Missing documents, complicated rules, fear of mistakes, and worst of all, worrying if you'll owe more than expected. But it doesn't have to be this way. This tax season, let Sarah Tax take the pressure off. We help you file accurately, maximize your refund, stay compliant, and avoid costly mistakes. Personal taxes, business taxes, we handle it all with professionalism and care. With us, you're never guessing. You're guided, supported, and confident your taxes are done right the first time. Don't wait until the last minute. Book your tax appointment today with Sarah Tax and make this year's tax season the easiest one yet.
You can use this exact process to create videos for any occasion, not just tax season. Holiday promotions, service announcements, client testimonials. The possibilities are endless. The best part? Once you've done it once, you can create your next video even faster. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI tips and tricks. Now go out there and create something amazing. Your clients are waiting to hear from you.